Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with this guy. That's me. I hope you are very well today. You join us on a lovely sunny Saturday evening here in Dublin in Ireland. And I thought to myself, what better way to celebrate a lovely, warm, sunny day for once than to maybe do a barbecue. And on the barbecue, let's look at something different. Apart from the bangers and the mash and the sausages and burgers, let's try something slightly different. We're going to go with fish. We're actually going to go with the whole fish. We're actually looking at sea bream today, which is a gorgeous fish when it's cooked properly. So I'm just going to take it through how to kind of prepare it, and then we're going to lash it on the barbecue and let it do its work. I'm going to show you how to do the sea bream first, and we'll go from there. Alright, so we have our delicious fish here. Does that look beautiful? Absolutely beautiful. So I'm just going to take off the fins here. Now, talking about flavourings for these, right? Fairly simple. I want to keep it kind of fairly classy, right? So we're doing lemon, and we're doing kind of a garlic and herb rub. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some of this inside the sea bream, and also on top of it with the lemon. So. So we're going to open the fish up. We're going to put our lemons in. Same the same one on this one. Alright guys, so we have our 2 slices of lemon in each of the sea bream. As I said before, we're just going to give it a nice little cut into the flesh. We've just rinsed it under a bit of cold water. And then we're going to put on our shake. So this is the shake again. So it's a garlic and herb shake. Looks absolutely gorgeous. So I think it's literally just a case of so sea bream are looking fantastic, right? So we put the lemon inside it. We've actually put a bit of lemon juice in it as well, and we put our shake on as well. Next step, stick them on the grill. But before I do that, I got this fantastic kind of mat thing from Amazon. What I got from Amazon the other day was this thing. I don't know if you can see that. Can you see that? It's called grill mats. And what you do basically is push. Here, I'll show you what you get. Yeah, you get the tongs first, which is pretty good. And then you get your mats. Now, supposedly, you put this on your barbecue, and then you put the fish on top of that, and you still get the bar marks on the fish. We'll give it a go and see how we get on, because like if it works, it'd be fantastic. So I'm going to put this on the barbecue, let it get up to temperature, and I'll come back to you. So you join us in the garden. Oh, look at this. Okay, so it's heating up there, guys. You see that? Look. Maybe I should have read the instructions. Take our fish. Now, supposedly, the bar marks appear on the fish. Let's give it a few minutes. Alright guys, so we're about 3 or 4 minutes in. I'm going to try and flip it. Oh, look at that! Happy days. You can see it there, guys. Look at that. Look around here. Start bringing in for a closer one. Look at that. Again, that's just on the mash. It's not on the bars directly. It's pretty cool. So I put some sugar snap peas on it here as well, lads. Just to see how we get on. Oh, looking good. Meanwhile, my fantastic wife has just given me a beer. Thank you. Alright guys, so we're pretty much finished here. I'm gonna finish off with a bit of lemon. Absolutely amazing. Here we have, lads, our barbecue sea bream with sugar snap peas and some little cute potatoes that my wife did in the oven. I'm going to give you a bit of a taste just before I go. Oh wow, that's something else, guys. So easy, so easy. And the skin is looking crispy. Oh. Beautiful. That herb crust is amazing. It's a nice simmer. Herb crust is really good, yeah. Guys, I'll leave it there. Thank you so much for watching to the end. I appreciate it. We'll see you again soon.
Don't forget to subscribe.